we have done with this? Can anyone tell me what are conjunctions? Let's recap the topic. Okay. Yes, Dhriti?
Conjunction joins two words or more words and become a sentence.
Yes, to make a complete sentence. It joins two sentences. Pathan, can you give me, you raised hand, Pathan?
Yes, ma'am. I want to tell
Yes,
conjunction.
tell me. Yes, tell me conjunctions. What are conjunctions?
Conjunctions joins two words in two words or more words or sentences.
Yes. Can you give
Using
me some examples? Can you give me some examples of conjunctions?
for examples, using because I got to the school late because I woke up very late.
Yes. Okay. So because you have used. So yesterday we have, in our previous class, we have discussed about three conjunctions: and, or, and because. Right? When we will use and? Kartika, yes, Kartika?
Ma'am,
When we will use and, beta? Dhriti, just wait, beta. Yes, Kartika, unmute yourself. Sure. Tanishka, tell me when we will use and?
we will use and in statement, ma'am.
No. Yesterday I have given you that the first day what I told you, and is used to combine similar ideas or words or sentences. Similar words. Same.
What?
Yes. Similar words or similar ideas or similar sentences. Yes. Kartika Nalla. When we will use or when we will use or, Akshaj, when we will use
Ma'am,
or when we will use or.
or is used to
No, or is used to show a choice. Choice.
or is used to show a choice.
Choice, yes. What do you like to have? A tea or coffee? What do you like to have? Chocolate or ice cream? So here you have a choice. You can either take ice cream or a chocolate. You can take either tea or a coffee, right? So you
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
choice there. So whenever you have a choice, you can use or. And when we have to use because, Dhriti is waiting, continuously raising her hand. Yes, tell me, Dhriti.
Ma'am, can I tell an example of or?
You tell me when we will use because.
Because is used to express something.
Express,
Like
explain the.
it is a
Explain the reason.
explain the reason. For example, I was not well. It's because I was not well because I did not come to school because I was not well.
Very good. Yes, very good. You did not go to school because you are not feeling well. Okay. Ashrita Gautam, you raised your hand.
Ma'am, I want to tell because it's used for
Okay. Tell me when we will use.
because it's used to tell reason. For example, I woke up I missed class because I woke up late.
Very good. Very good. You missed your class because you woke up late. Good. So these are all the conjunctions, children, we have discussed in our previous class. The uses of and, or, and because. Yes. Very good. So today we are going to learn about fiction and non-fiction. Fiction and non-fiction. Yes, Patan?
Ma'am, shall I tell one example of or?
Yes, tell me. Ashwitanalla, sit
You
properly.
can have
Manvitraj,
you
sit.
can have this chocolate or ice cream.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Can have this chocolate or ice cream. Okay, good. So now, children, let us know about the fiction and non-fiction. What is fiction? What is non-fiction? Before knowing that, let us watch a small video. Okay. Are you ready to watch a video? Yes. Let us see now. I'm going to share the screen. Fiction versus non-fiction. Now see what is a fiction. See. Read this now. You have to read this. Fiction versus non-fiction. What is the fiction? The books that are fictions describe a story. These stories are not real. The stories which are not real are called fiction. For example, Alice in Wonderland. Is it real? It is all imaginary. Yes, imagination. That it was a dream. She was dreaming it that she's talking to the rabbit, she's talking to the cards, she's talking to the duchess, cat. All those are imaginary, right? So those are all fictions. Now, for example, you have a Doraemon, you have this Chota Bheem, you have other cartoons. Yeah. So all these are fictions. Are they real? Tell me, children, unmute yourself and tell me, are they real?
No, ma'am.
No.
Fiction then.
Yeah, those are all not real. So those are all called as fiction. Understood now what is a fiction? Fiction means which is not real. Okay. Now fictions have various characters in them. Characters are actually the people or animals in a story. Yes or no? The story will be having lots of animals, lots of people. People are talking to the animals. Animals are talking to the peoples. People and animals together, they will play, they will enjoy. Yes? Yes or no? So that is all comes under fiction. Now you see, for example, Chota Bheem is there, Doraemon is there. Yeah, Chota Bheem, have you seen? He will talk to all the animals like monkey is talking with Bheem very nicely. Yes or no? Jaggu. He will, yeah, the Jaggu will talk to the, in the real life, is it possible that monkeys will talk to us? Yes? No, that is not possible, right? So this is fiction. Fiction means the stories are not real. Let us see next one. See, Harry Potter, Alice in Wonderland are the examples. These are not real stories. Imagination, yes. Harry Potter is also a very beautiful story. These are the examples of fiction. Now, next one you see non-fiction. What is non-fiction? Non-fiction gives real information or facts. There is no imaginary character, no imagination. Whatever is happening, that facts, that information it will give. What is real? For example, the sun. The sun is real or it is a fiction? There is a real sun, a big star in the sky. Is it real? Unmute. 1 minute. Yeah, unmute and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So there is a star. Now, sky. Sky is real or only a cloth or a blanket is covered on the earth?
No, ma'am, it's real.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, it's real. It's real, right? So there is no imagination. There is no imagination. The things which are real, okay, the stories which are real. For example, one more story I'll tell you. Akbar the Great. Yes, Pathan, just 1 minute. Akbar the Great. Akbar the king. The story of Akbar is very real. No imagination. Nothing created. Everything is real. Okay. 1 second, beta. What are the examples of non-fiction?
Ramayana and Mahabharat.
Yes, very good. Ramayana and Mahabharat and the history of some kings like Akbar the Great or Akbar Birbal. All these stories are real. They are the examples of non-fiction. Very good. Now let us see. See, examples. The Oxford, American military, see here, diplomatic history. This is the real thing which has happened. And Wings of Fire. Abdul Kalam Azad, he is the father of the science, right? He has made lots of things, NASA, and he was the person who loved science. Yes, Pathan.
No. Ma'am, non-fiction example is also that Shakuntala Devi.
Yes.
The moon first came.
Very good. Yes, Manvit Raj. Manvit, yes, beta. Yes, beta. Tell me, you are not audible. Huh? Not screen. Okay. Hanvika.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
the Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean. Yeah, okay. What is Mr. Bean? Fiction or non-fiction?
Non-fiction.
Yes, non-fiction. And Krishika ji?
Ma'am, and non-fiction example also Bhagavad Gita.
Yes, very good. Bhagavad Gita. Yes, Ashrita Gautam? You raised your hand?
Ma'am, I tell example of non-fiction.
Please tell me.
Radha Krishnan story and Sitaram story, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So now you people understood, no, what is fiction and what is not non-fiction, right? Fiction means all the imaginary things and non-fiction means, yes, Non-fiction means all the real. Yes, real or fact information. Information which is really happened, done. Okay. Very good, children. Very good. In the coursebook, you have a small exercise based on this fiction and non-fiction. I want to see how many of you will do it correct now. Now, any doubt, children? Anyone not understood about the fiction and non-fiction? You can raise hand. I'll explain it again. Everyone understood what is fiction, what is not non-fiction? Krishika ji, you raised your hand. Krishika ji.
Ma'am, I understand what is non-fiction, but fiction means?
Fiction means imaginary things. Animals talking, animals are playing, dancing, and animals standing on two legs and moving here and there.
Only not real thing was fiction thing.
Real thing is non-fiction, and not real, which is not real, is a fiction. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Children, show me thumb. Everyone understood fiction and non-fiction? Very good, very good. Good. So now here, course book page number 4. Take out the page number 4, everyone. Course book page number 4. Write the names of the books in the suitable columns. Come on. So here, first one is Heidi. Can you tell me Heidi is a fiction or non-fiction? Heidi is a fiction or non-fiction?
Ma'am,
Fiction.
Huh?
Fiction.
Yes, it is non-fiction. The Heidi story is happened really. The little Swiss girl and the grandfather, all the things are real. No, nothing is imagined, nothing is created. No imagination, nothing. So that is non-fiction. So write the Heidi name in the non-fiction column. Come on. Heidi, write in non-fiction column. N-O-N-F-I-C-T-I-O-N. Non-fiction column you have, no? Write there Heidi. H-E-I-D-I, Heidi. The Adventures of Tintin. The Adventures of Tintin. Is it fiction or not fiction?
Fiction. Non-fiction, ma'am.
Non-fiction? The Tintin will do lots of adventures, no?
Fiction.
Yeah, that is fiction. Yes, Bilvika, tell me, is it fiction or non-fiction?
Non-fiction, ma'am.
That is non-fiction. Adventures of Tintin.
Fiction, ma'am.
Yeah, that is fiction. Next one we have elephants, facts for kids. Facts, which is very true. Real one. Facts means real one. So that is fiction or non-fiction?
Ma'am, non-fiction. Fiction, ma'am.
Non-fiction. Right here, that elephants, facts for kids in non-fiction. Non-fiction. Why can't penguins fly? We have a beautiful story. Why can't penguins fly? So is that a fiction or non-fiction?
Fiction.
Cinderella is
Fiction.
Fiction, right. Cinderella is fiction or non-fiction?
Fiction only.
Yes, Cinderella is fiction. Now the last one, what do you have? Wild Animal Atlas. That is fiction or non-fiction? Tell me.
Non-fiction.
Non-fiction. Yes, very good.
Like pencil. If I touch pencil, it will become a curtain. Like that, it is fiction.
Okay.
And not fiction, like you are telling online classes.
Very
is-
good. Good example, Krishika. Thank you. And Kartika, you raise your hand.
Ma'am,
I can hear you. Tell me.
your number.
Oh my God. You can ask your class teacher, okay?
She's not giving.
Now, okay, note down. Devansh, you raised your hand.
Ma'am,
Yes.
anything about fiction not.
Huh?
Literature also cartoon, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking, but I cannot hear you properly.
Ma'am, literature come.
Ah, Little Singham is also non-fiction or fiction?
Non-fiction, ma'am.
Hey, Little Singham is a fiction. That is all adventures, imagination, all okay. That is not real. Little Singham is jumping here and there, moving, fighting. Yes, flying in the sky. Everything is false. That's not true. So that is fiction. Yes, Miss Ba.
Ma'am, Jungle Book
Yeah, Jungle Book. What is
is
Jungle?
fiction, ma'am.
Okay, yes, fiction. Time is not over. Go. Go. Okay, children. So now I'll share few like one worksheet. I'll share one worksheet with you. You have to write it down in the notebook and complete the homework related to this fiction and non-fiction. Okay? Is it okay? And I'll share the classwork also in the through the MCB. Those who not done, please do it, complete it, and share the pics. Bye, children. Bye. Take care.